Hi, Dr. Oxley here, dentist in New Bern. Thanks for watching. I'd like to show you here a case where a tooth had a metal filling in it, a very large suspicious crack, and we restored it with a biomimetic restoration. So you can see the pre-op photograph here. This is an intraoral pic taken with the mouthwatch, and you can see the crack on the back half of the tooth. And you can also see this metal filling, which has been in service for many, many years. But the longer that a patient chews on one of those, you end up with micro cracks. And then as you can see in this photograph, which was taken shortly after the metal filling was removed, you can see that there is a crack on the floor of the tooth. And when something like this happens, it's just not gonna heal itself. It's not gonna go away on its own. And so this tooth is at risk of splitting in half, possibly needing to have a root canal, may even be considered for a crown. But with this tooth, we ended up removing a cavity that was in it, removing and chasing the cracks. And the final preparation is an onlay style, which is a lot more conservative than a crown. You could have potentially done an inlay for a situation like this. It wasn't a huge metal filling, but we did an onlay, and then you can see here the final result. The onlay is porcelain or ceramic e.max restoration, and it's bonded biomimetically to the tooth, and you get a nice result where a good portion of the enamel has been preserved, the crack was eliminated, and hopefully it never needs to have a root canal. Hopefully it never needs to have a crown, and it would be nice if this onlay restoration is the last time this tooth is restored. So onlays, inlays, types of bonded restorations are a lot more conservative than crowns. So this was a great case where we preserved a lot of tooth structure and hopefully prevented this patient from ever having any issues with this tooth. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.